once we go through and cut the majority of it out with the hot wire cutter, I'll go in there with one of these curry combs. It's like a horse brush, works really well, really eats quite a bit of it away. And then if I want to do a little bit finer work, I'll use a wire brush. And then for doing like the real fine stuff, I'll even use like the small size, like the size of a toothbrush, to go in there, and then some sandpaper to smooth it all out. Since the game takes place in a factory, you have all these concrete floors and brick walls. We just happen to have some old beat up brick panel that we've been storing forever. And since we've been trying to use up everything that we have, it was perfect. To hard coat the foam, we used a smooth-on product called Epoxamite. For areas we wanted to smooth over, like the eyes and mouth, we used a plaster filler like a drywall mud. And then later on in the project, we'll cover everything with a thin set mortar. We also wanted his eyes to light up, so this was a good time to add all the wiring before we did all the hard coating. To cut all these cat scratches in the shelves, I'm just using a metal cutoff wheel to do the first initial scratch, then a sanding disc to kind of give it the little 45-degree angle on each side, and then going through with a sanding drum on the Dremel just to widen it up. And I'm not too worried about making it really pretty, because when Gina comes in here with the mortar, she can make it look really good and fill in any of the areas where I might have messed it up.
Never. You never mess it up.
Always messing up.
And now to find the perfect fur texture. Nope. Not that one. Not that one either. Ooh, this one will look real good.
To create the brick wall, the first thing I did was pick out 3 different paint colors, 2 oranges and 1 red. Then I just painted them randomly. Then I cut up a regular sponge. First I used one of those pieces to create white detail. Then I used a second piece of sponge to create the black detail. And gray detail with the third piece. I took the white again and framed the bricks. Then I aged all the brick and concrete with a watered down wash. And last, clear coated the entire piece to seal and protect it.
What do you think?
CatNap from the actual game.
It really does. It was a lot of fun to make.
Just like this CatNap. It looks just like, whoa, it's a giant monster CatNap.
I must admit, in the beginning when we weren't going to get to do something retro, I was like kind of bummed. But this actually turned out really fun. I had so much fun doing the brick and the texture. Thank you for helping me find the perfect stamp roller.
You're welcome. And also, thank you for making my shelf.
Oh,
You're very welcome.
It looks just like him in the game.
It
And
does.
I can say he's definitely purple, so that's good.
Yes, purple he is.
Will he help you sleep at night?
No, he won't. No, he won't. He will help me shelf at night to where I can get my books. My red CatNap books.
Hey, Harrison.
What?
Will you give me a tour of your shelf, please?
Sure.
All right, show us around.
So this part of the shelf is perfect for my smiling critters. CatNap, DogDay, Bubble Fit, Crafty Cord, Hoppy Hopscotch, Kick a Chicken, Piggy Piggy. This is Hoppy, and then Bobby Bear Hug. I really love Bobby Bear Hug because She literally says, "I love you into the moon and back." We've got like a couple pictures, a Lego guy down there, which is a version of this. And then we've got Huggy.
Yes. Harrison, did you draw those pictures?
Yes.
Those are so
He
good.
has so much artwork. We probably should have made a bigger shelf.
And this is so cute. You're right. It's a little piggy.
Yeah, and then we've got the Huggy that doesn't even stand up.
It's an Amazon special.
No, that was actually from that Five Below.
Yeah, now can I look up Kelly?
Whoa, these are
I
amazing.
built these out of Legos. So this is a Huggy. You kind of remind me of Minecraft. A DogDay out of Legos.
I love the way you did the eyes.
You guys are gonna make a DogDay shelf, right?
Oh, is that our next project? Oh
Yes.
boy.
Yes, but then after all the Poppy Playtime Smiling Career, guys, guess what?
What?
Then we can do Among Us.
Oh,
No. No, Back to the Future?
No, Back to the Future. Now we're gonna have CatNap.
Oh, this is my favorite.
Yeah, and Mom even helped me with this.
I got you all the purple Legos, right? And you assembled it. I didn't
Yeah,
do any
yeah,
of that.
But Mom did help me with the bottom.
Oh, that's right. Yep. We needed a little extra structure right there, didn't we, Harrison?
I may add some LED strips or some lighting on the underside of these shelves.
Red ones.
There you go. Leave us a comment, tell us what you think, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.